scaling out, all right?
What's going on, guys? Welcome back to Power Hour. Market was choppy, to put it nicely, while I was away. Very disgusting price action. Now it looks like we're getting a little bit of a pop to the upside. Not sure if that's going to be short-lived or what we have here on the horizon, but we will be taking a look. See what the market wants to tell us. See what CBD is telling us. See what price action is doing. We'll see the momentum. We'll see everything here. Okay. Got a pretty big spike there on CBD in the last few minutes or so. Let's check out the 30-minute here. All right, looks like we want to make that run up to 260 again. Looks like that's what the market is trying to currently do. Very slowly, but it's doing it. Very, very slowly. But it's making that move up. Looks like it held trend here. I'm not sure if it's going to continue doing that all day, but might as well keep it on the chart. Look at that. Trend's been pretty clean. Look at that. Minute looks bullish also. Look at that curvature. Look at that curvature right here. Nice little cup. Maybe we'll get a handle. Then we go up. Maybe we just get the cup. With a rocket ship. I'm over here trying to use my right hand. Kind of hurt. Alright, let's see. That's a 12-minute. 3-minute also looks like it wants to curve. We just found support on overnight highs. Trading currently above our short-term EMAs on the 3-minute. What's up, Crown? Oh, on my schedule, dude? No, not really. I don't. Before I left earlier, I just said I'd be back for Power Hour because I wanted to go to the gym and I wanted to get something to eat. But sometimes I make it back, sometimes I don't. Yesterday I didn't make it back because I had to go pick up my daughters. I forgot about that. And the price action was horrible. And usually when I sacrifice picking up my daughters for trading, it doesn't end well anyway. So I kind of took that as a sign to get the heck out of there. So yeah, I didn't trade after I was done with the gym yesterday. Probably for the best. Today's price action too has been pretty miserable for most people. My man Crown is doing good today though. You know what? I want to check out other markets to see if there's any other markets that are trending any better, or the ATR might be better than what we have right now here with NQ. No, I don't want that. All right, so the ATR right now on our 3-minute chart is 9 on NQ. Let's look at the Russell. It's not much better, it's worse. Let's look at Bitcoin. Well, it's different, right? It's different because they trade differently. But it's down. Let's look at gold. I think gold was trading good today, Crown was telling me. Everything's trading really down. Nothing's really trading with any momentum. Is there anything that's trading with good momentum right now? Is the VIX maybe trading with good momentum? The VIX is probably melting too. Yeah, there's not much that's trading good right now. Yeah, nothing's really trading good. Nothing's really trading fantastic. So, we'll see. You think the Crown says you think that YM and RTY have a better flow, huh? Let's see what you find. I'm interested. Yeah, I'm interested too. Let's see how much better ES or actually YM is doing today. think I'll stick with NQ for now. I don't see much of a difference here, and I know the NQ moves a little better. So right now, obviously, we're going to take that 260 level is what it looks like. That 265 level, 264. Question is, does she go to all-time highs after that? Or do we double top here? Double top, all-time highs. Which one is it? So let's look what she's done so far. She's gone down to the overnight lows. She's taken that out. She's gone up to the overnight highs earlier today. And then she went down to the overnight lows, right? I think, or was it the other way around? Oh no, she went overnight lows first, then she went overnight highs. Right, this was at 9, yeah, so overnight lows, taken out. Then she went and took out the overnight highs. And then she came back down. So she probably still wants to go higher, maybe to that all-time high, because she's reaching for higher. Right, she's reaching for higher. Looks like it's gonna have an explosive move. Yeah, looks like it might be having an explosive move. It's kind of what it's looking like. Yeah, let's see if we have a poor high. If we have a poor high. Not so much a poor high, but definitely not the strongest. A little more wick, a little more wick action there. 211. Yesterday's high. Yeah, I think we're gonna rip it up. Could rip it up. Good thing is the ATR is picking up a bit. Everybody pretty much took off for the day already. A couple of the YouTubers I watched are pretty much all done for the day. I'm just here to see if there's anything interesting. I may not even trade anything. We'll see. If I see something I really like, then maybe we'll take a trade on Bionox. Trying to get our eval past there. Should have been copy trading that account though, because it's only a $16 account. I should have picked up like a good 10 pack or something. I still might. I wasn't sure how much I was gonna like Bionox. So far, so good. They're okay. Only thing is that I can't really trade them on anything that's not rhythmic. We're getting increasingly higher and higher CVD here on Renko. It's choppy as anything here on the 1 minute chart. But Renko kind of cleans this up. It makes this a lot more digestible, I guess you would say. I'm personally would be looking for, I'd be looking for a long here. Maybe we find that support on the overnight highs. Or just a tad bit lower, maybe. We're just getting into yeah, Crown's in the same boat as me, not really stressing a trade, but if we get one, we get one. The trade I'd be looking at right now, in my personal trading plan, would be the following. I would be looking for a long entry from either the overnight highs to possibly this area here at 237. If we lose this area and we can't get above the overnight highs, then we'll start looking for shorts. But as of right now, obviously my bias is still going to remain bullish. See if we can't make that area work for us as support. The other level of support that I see here could possibly be, I would say, even daily open maybe, if it still wants to go that low before coming back up. It's possible. It's also possible it may not come down anymore. Luna, what you doing in here, Luna? The money flow, I just noticed that the money flow on our indicator that I use is very strong. Very strong. What is not strong at the moment right now is our stochastic, but that could change pretty quickly. If we see the stochastic kind of, which is blue line here, if we see it sharply inverse and start to go up, kind of like what it's doing right now, could be getting that pop. The VWAP is already angled up. So we'll see. Oh, it's starting to get it now. This could be a little reversal from here. This could be a little reversal from here, guys. Could be, could be. Would have liked to see a little bit more of a retracement, but if that's all she gives, that's all she gives. Super slow move, though. Super slow move. Wow. NQ's last entry may have been that bounce off the midline of the opening range. Yeah, I think you're right, bud. Could have been. Overnight highs. Yeah, looks like she's going to go higher from here. So I will look at this as support now. Currently up right now, $255 on the day on Buellnox, which is not terrible. It's a step in the right direction. 146-ish, that area. Let me see. That would make it 1346, right? So on the Renko chart right about here off the daily open. Yeah, this right here, this bounce, kind of right off the daily open, a little more. Yeah, I can see that. All right, we're getting that move back down here. All right, so we're right there at that little area that I was keeping my eye on. Let's see what happens there. It's kind of looking weak on the 1 minute. The Renko's still holding up because it's a Renko chart. But it's looking a little weak here on the 1 minute. See kind of movements we get. Yeah, shows up on Renko, shows up on the trend line. That bounce from 1:46 p.m. Pretty good stuff. Yeah, so we got a double top as of right now. As of right now, we still have a double top. EMAs are kind of bunching up. This could either pop from here or we can get further downside. The manipulation right now would probably be further downside, I would say. Because everyone's thinking, right? 340. We got 340 up there. Do we go there now? Do we double top? Don't know. Don't know. Yeah, we lost that level where I thought we may have had some support. Next level that I'm looking at could be 244. Right now we're looking like we are rolling over. For now, expected, obviously. Could be getting a bounce from there, maybe. I don't believe in that bounce. I might be interested in shorting that bounce, but we'll see. Okay, still looking bullish. All right, not bad. Looks like it might be a recovery. Might is the word. $307, so we're clearly into power hour now. I'd like to see a little double tap here. Maybe we come down a little bit more still. No, she wants up. So she kind of did bounce off the area I had my eye on there. She overshot it by a little bit, and it does that sometimes just to kind of get people bearish on the idea that it could go lower, and it still can. But on that bounce, it would have worked out if somebody was scalping for maybe 20 points. Maybe even not even 20. I think that was like 10. We've been on the same Renko block since 254, and it is now 309. That tells you a lot about this price action. I think I'm going to take the long on Buellnox. It's looking pretty good. But I'm just going to be a little more patient here to see if we can retest that 252 level one more time. Don't know if we're gonna. I'd like to see that 252 level one more time to see if it's really going to hold. If we bounce from there, then that would be a better, in my opinion, a better trade for the upside. But this could be a full-blown reversal, guys. Could be a full-blown reversal here. So it's kind of looking like it might be. Hard to say here because the trend is up, but the momentum is down. Looking for a return of 228-ish. I'm going to take a quick short on it. Not sure if I'm right. I might be wrong 100%. All right, so I have my stops in place right there at 262, both of them. So if this price goes against me, I'm just risking a little bit. I'm going to take my first TP, if there is one, at 250. We'll go to 250, and then we'll moving my stops down a bit. It's looking halfway decent. It's looking halfway decent. If we get down to 250, I will go to break even. Shoot, I might go to break even sooner. Looks like it's finally getting a direction here. Okay. I moved one to, I'm moving them both to break even here. All right, I moved them both to break even. I have one TP here at 250. Hopefully we get that instead of going up. Kind of like what we're doing right now. I like to see it kind of slam down. Unless this is the long that I was waiting for. The momentum did shift down though, pretty rough. So I'm expecting a little bit more of a... This market will do anything though. To be honest with you, I don't even know why I bother. Because it looks one way doesn't mean that that's what it's going to do. Yeah, it's pretty rough here. Looks like I'm going to get stopped out at break even. Yeah, stopped out at break even. This could either be another setup for the short, or this could actually be going up, guys. I think it's probably going up because we did kind of clown around a lot. But it's hard to say, man. It's very hard to say. We are losing momentum like crazy. Everyone's going to say you're trading against the trend. Yes, but my entries are good. Yeah, she's going down, man. God damn it. My stops were too tight. That's what it looks like. Yeah, there goes my trade. I almost forgot to take that order off the screen. Look at that power, guys. Look at that power. Don't know what she's up to here. I don't know what to call it. But it does look like manipulation. If she finds her bra at 244, then I don't know. Oh man, and what is she gonna do now? It's crazy. It's crazy. I tell you, it's crazy, guys. Is she going up or is she going down? Is she going down or is she going up? Nobody knows. Nobody knows. Nobody really knows where the heck this broad is going. Renko's still saying I have no clue. This price action is so choppy. I haven't moved in like half an hour. And price action is just all over the place. Signaling one thing and doing another. Oy, oy. I don't even know anymore. The ATR has got to be like 5 right now. This is crazy. This is Power Hour. Nice, it's finally going. So much manipulation. She's got room to the downside. She definitely has. We could see a return to VWAP, possibly. Where does she rip to all-time highs? Yeah, look at this, guys. This is just ridiculous. I'm at a loss of words. I'm at a loss of words. This is disgusting price action. There is no follow through on anything. There's absolutely no follow through. Zero follow through on anything. Yeah, this is horrible. 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 Yeah, this is algo trading, guys. This isn't even human beings trading this. This is strictly algo trading. There's no way like buyers are absorbing sellers, sellers are absorbing buyers like every other minute. This has no direction. I think she'll roll over. Is she sticking to the original plan of going higher, hitting all-time highs, or is she still just messing around? Looks like she is trying to go higher. And this is where she returns. What's up, Keith? No idea what you're talking about, bud. I hope you're not spamming us with bot stuff. I'm not sure what cold is, but it sounds like something I'm not familiar with. It's price action this time. I don't know. You guys have a word for this? Maybe treacherous, dangerous. Yeah, I don't know, man. I don't know, guys. Oh yeah. What is going on in South Korea, guys? Anything good? Wouldn't be wanting to go there right about now. I gotta catch up and find out what's actually going on there and how that's gonna affect these markets. As of right now, I don't even think the market knows. That's why it's probably been in a holding pattern today. Kind of trying to figure out what to make of it. There's no trade to be had here. The only trade would make sense to me, the only trade that makes sense to me at the moment is a short, but the short doesn't really make sense because we're trending up and on low volume. So that's why I'm not taking anything at the moment. Yeah. Well, let's take a look at some other assets. Oh, why don't we? Let's take a look at some other assets, guys. Okay, what is BTC doing? Let's figure out why BTC is down today. BTC is kind of rolling over right now. Looks kind of rangy to me. Doesn't really have a direction at the moment, in my opinion. The only thing I do see here is that we're kind of creating this wedge pattern. The BTC loves wedges. It's always constantly making triangles or wedges, whatever you may call it, right? Always doing that. It's perfect for manipulation because, you know, there's a lot of pattern traders in the retail market. So it does this in order to kind of fake out the breakout traders. A lot, like a lot. At the moment, I would probably say it's got a stronger probability of maybe heading up a little bit before coming down. If it does come down. Let's take a look at the daily on BTC. Oh no, that doesn't look good on the daily. We're losing all types of momentum on the daily. We may be coming down. Could be coming down to test 90,000. Yeah, could be coming to test 90,000. If we lose 90,000, then there's a lot of single prints below us. If we lose 90,000, we might get support at 80. If not, 75, 76. Could be probable. If it's going to keep with the EMAs, we could get a bounce from here and continue higher. But if we lose 90, it might get ugly really quick. It's 325. Market did move up a bit on that last pump. Now, more importantly, let's take a look at XRP because that's my baby. She's not doing so good today. Not doing so good today. She's a little under the weather, but the momentum still looks very staggeringly good. The money flow looks amazing. This could be just, you know, profit taking, which I don't blame anyone for that. Profit taking on a coin that's been dead for 2 years. Why not? As a matter of fact, I think I am going to set up my profit taking strategy on XRP soon as well. I think I'm going to cash out my initial investment at $3, and then I will, or $3.15 I think it was, or whatever the all-time high was, and then I will let the rest ride. See what we can get off of her. All right, getting a retracement back down, guys. Getting a retracement. Let's go. Let's jump back on the Renkos. Can we finally get a volume spike? So we just made a new daily high at 264. See if that was a poor high. That was a poor high. That was a poor high. I don't expect that to hold. Okay. That poor high. Usually poor highs don't hold, guys. Usually poor highs, they come back. It comes back for, it doesn't necessarily have to be today, but they necessarily don't have to do it at any time in the near future. But since we're already here, chances are we could come back up and rip through that. Looks like maybe that's what it wants to do. Looks like she might be going for it. It's crazy when you see like a 20-point move and you get excited on the NQ. What's up, Imana? Imana wants to know about our indicators here. So our indicators that we have on our screen, they measure CVD and they also measure volume. So the indicator for the yellow and purple candles, those measure absorption. They measure divergences for CVD, that's cumulative volume delta. That helps us understand when buyers are being absorbed by sellers or sellers being absorbed by buyers. The name of that indicator is on TradingView. It's called CVD on chart. C, Charlie, V, Victor, D, Daniel, CVD on chart. Okay, that is the one for the yellow and purple candles. Well, I made them that color myself, and then you get the CVD histogram down here, like you see. Okay, now the other ones that are green, and there's a multitude of colors. There's 4 different colors, but you only see the green one right now, and you might see a pink one here. You'll get 4. You have blue, you have violet. There's a couple different ones. That one is called Trader's Reality. So look up Traders Reality. That Traders Reality package is also free, and it comes with a ton of other indicators built in. Like gives you like your levels for the day. It gives you like yesterday's high, yesterday's low. It gives you the daily open. It gives you a lot of data that you would want to have on your chart. So I think it's probably the best indicator that you can get on TradingView. This price action is so non-directional, guys. It hurts. It literally hurts. I'm literally in pain right now. Guess no all-time highs today, guys. Guess we're not going to be seeing any all-time highs today, but we might be seeing... I'm going to make a prediction here, guys. See if I'm right, if I know anything. I'm predicting more chop. I hope I'm wrong. Yeah, Tino is the man. Emma says he knows Traders Reality. We'll check that CVD one out. Yeah, cool. Yeah, Tino is the man. If he charged for that indicator, I'd pay for it. It's amazing. It really is. It's a good indicator. I'm so bored I'm about to start pressing buttons, guys. So I might as well do that. But I definitely am logging out of my live account, and I'm going to go to paper trading before I get myself in trouble with this price action. Our paper trading account is almost at $4 million, guys. Wish I could trade my live account with that. Wish I could. All right, I'm going to short the hell out of this thing. I'm about to short 100 contracts. How about 28 contracts? We'll see. We'll wait a minute. Low VIX price action is astroculus. He came up with a word. VIX hovering around summertime lows. Yeah, I know, man. The lower we go in the VIX, the less we get price action, and more likely it is for the things to trend up. So that VIX is just disgustingly low, huh? But I'm just bored, so I'm about to just hit like buy or sell on the screen. Let's see. I just took a long. I'm probably wrong. I'm probably long and wrong. I just took a long. Well, this is paper trade, by the way, so I don't want to like get anybody excited here. I don't want to get you guys too excited, not just yet. I just took 28 contracts. Reminds you of ICT when he takes his huge, massive paper trades. Was he what's his name? Demo God or Demo King or something like that? Demo Baller? Yeah, it's Demo Baller, right? Yeah, he's hilarious. Demo Baller. We'll call him Demo Gorgon. All right, let's sell some up here. How many of you guys want to sell up there? Probably none, because it's going against us big time. We'll sell some up there. Might end up just buying more. Yeah. It looks like we were wrong on this move. But who knows? Who knows, right? I'm gonna set the stop loss here. If I'm wrong, I'm wrong. If I'm right, we're good. All right, if I'm wrong, guys, we're out 4,480 fictitious dollar hairs. But if we're right, We'll retire tomorrow. Got 15 here at 21,263. See if we can't take 15 off there. This is so not like the way I normally would trade. I mean, what are we risking here? 12, 48 to 56. Oh my God, that's like nothing. I thought these candles were bigger. We're literally risking 8 to make like 7. We're risking 8 to take our first TP at 7. 8 points to make 7 on our first TP. Probably get stopped out here because the price action looks like it wants to start making new lows. Kind of proud of myself for not pressing the real buttons. Really tempting to press real buttons in movements like this because you see so many setups that don't actually they don't end up playing out. They don't play out. No follow through. I'm about to trade XRP on here just to keep things interesting. Let's trade XRP here on the left hand side. That thing is moving. I don't know about anything else, but XRP is moving. Let's keep it funky fresh. XRP is pumping. Yes, my bags are feeling it. Thank you, XRP. XRP is looking good. Riding the wave of the EMAs. About to get stopped out on my Nasdaq long. I'm about to reverse this trade like a champ. There's no way I'm getting saved here. This is definitely going lower. Meanwhile, XRP. We are 2 minutes away from MOC. And XRP looks like it doesn't want to go back to daily open, which is nice. Good for morale. Look, there's a lot of volume there too. Yeah, I think we may have to keep that level on our charts. Let's buy 1,000. Let's buy 1,000 XRP right now. Our stop loss would be. That looks pretty good. Well, market's dropping. Market seems to be dropping. Should have taken a counter trend on my Bullnox on that long, but just don't trust this price action. All right, let's see if she can bounce off the overnight highs. It is 339, so no guarantees what's going to happen at 340. I could eject some liquidity into the market either direction. All right, guys, couple seconds until we get some MOC action. Some of the algos come out to play. If you guys are still trading right now at 3 something, I'm hoping you had a good day. Most people that have still trading right now did not have a great day. I for one had an okay day. A little bit of human error on my part on my 5 Top Step accounts, but it'll be another day for that tomorrow. We're up on Bullnox today. That's nice. We're up 255, I think. No, 225 now because of my commissions probably. And on our personal account, I think we're up about 5%. Not too bad. Not too bad. Looks like it is bouncing a little bit off the overnight highs. Not sure if that's going to hold. Not sure of anything, guys. Not sure of anything. I'm not sure how much help I could be to you guys since I never share about anything. All I know is I'm wrong more than I'm right. So it is making a series of lower lows, but that could all change. So it's 340. Let's see what kind of price action we get with that MOC. Looks like it's to the upside, but that could be quickly reversed as well. OG Trade says, with this type of market, very garbage. Yeah, it is very garbagey. That's why we are doing Dumbo Baller paper trades right now, just to practice our button pressing. See if we get this bounce from here. It's usually not that easy. Usually we get a bunch of like bounces before we actually go up. So more than likely this is not the bottom. I don't really think this is the bottom at all, as a matter of fact. So OG Trades has stops at 21,225. You're short from the high. Beautiful, brother. Very nice. I should have probably took that short with you. When I see a green candle like this, to me a lot of times it does signal the blow off top. Sometimes I consider it like a manipulation candle. I like to reverse those, but at the high of the day, I kind of want to see it play out a little more first, and it didn't play out too much. It kind of went down. When I say play out, I mean like try to manipulate this area a little more, but this time it went straight down. Not straight down, but like hasn't tested this area since this candle. We'll leave XRP alone for now. Let her do her thing. And we'll get back to NQ trading. See if I can't take a real trade on my Buellnox. All right, we're stopped out there on paper. You thought the China news would sell off the market today? I think everybody did, right? I think it's South Korea, though. I don't think it's any China news, but it is South Korea. Oh, now we're getting that move down. Now we're getting all of that. Congratulations, OG Trade. Now, this is probably the best move of the whole afternoon. Probably the best move of the whole afternoon. All right. Very nice. Very nice. Very nice. Very nice. Oh, there's China news too? Get the heck out of here. Is it the one that says the youth are lifeless? Economist speech goes viral in China? Is it that one? Is that what you're talking about? Not sure if that's the one, but all right. Looks like Renko's finally making a new downward candle. Maybe, maybe not. Oh yeah, they're gonna ban expanding rare earth metals? That's not good for Elon. Not good for Elon and not good for basically anybody. I mean, every tech company uses rare earth metals. Mm-hmm. Yeah, you would think, right? The NQ would drop on that because it's all tech. I can see why you would have a short bias. I got 15 minutes to find something to trade. If not, then I can't trade after 4. You guys think this market continues down? Or is it bounce from these overnight highs? Or is that the manipulation? There are stops at 21,225. I'm sure there are. Including yours, huh? Or you have a take profit there, right? That escalated quickly. Have you taken profits, OG? Because that might have been just manipulation to the downside, man. Could have been a run for liquidity before actually going higher. Yeah, man. I'm not telling you to do that. I'm just saying crazier things have happened. This move looks pretty strong. It also looks very wicky. Look at that. Holy moly. This is the most price action we've seen all day. Maybe not all day, but all afternoon for sure. Yeah, I might not be interested in taking trades now. These candles are getting too wicky. Up and down, up and down. There's no real direction here. Yeah. Rutik says, hard to see this going back down, considering how hard bulls have been fighting to get to this point today. I know. Maybe, is it just going to be exhaustion at this point? Put on 15 contracts there to the upside. See what happens. We'll see what happens. I'll put a stop loss where I normally would put a stop loss, which is right around here. So we're risking about 4. And maybe we'll take some off here at the daily highs. I'm going to add 5 more. Finally got some direction. Okay, I might take off 5 at yesterday's high at 260. Ooh, wow. Wow. I'm going to take off 5 there, and I'm going to move to break even. We'll take off another 5 up here. So this is where all the price action comes in now at the end of the day, huh? They're actually solid now. Too bad I ain't trading real money. But they call me the demo baller. Let's see if we can get another 5 up here maybe. Definitely gonna trail this bad boy. That's my best trade all day. She found her bra, says Crown. That's been my best trade all day. And it was on paper. And it was on demo. She found her bra, says Crown. Looking to take off another 5 at 267. No particular reason why, just that's where my mouse landed. And then I'll leave 5 for a moon bag. Or maybe not. Say buyers are squeezing here. Could be squeezing. Got 8 minutes to close. Yeah, looks like we're about to get stopped out here. Decent profits though. Decent profits. This is all going down on very low volume too. It's crazy. Just basically anything will move the market right now. Looks like we'll get stopped out any second now. Unless we get a huge pump. Yeah, looks like yesterday's high is holding up pretty good. Is price going to squeeze? Let's see if price squeezes. Let's see if we can't get to 21,267. I'm going to ask you guys for a big favor here. If you guys can give the stream a like. I think it helps us out. I'm not sure. We got 7 likes and 16 people on. I know you guys can do better than that. I do appreciate you guys being here either way though. I know this is a lonely sport. Trading is a lonely sport. Get off my sandal, girl. Ooh, look at her. Look at her go. Look at her go. I'm looking on like a proud parent here. Come on, baby, you can do it. Oh, there she goes. 267 taken. So we have a moon bag left. How crazy would it be if she went for all-time highs, or maybe not all-time highs, but what about the naked point of control at 290? What if she went there? What if she went there? I'd be really mad because I'm doing this on demo. I'd be really mad. Super, super duper. Give me my sandal. Stop biting my sandals. Sorry, guys. My dog likes to bite my sandals when she wants to eat. But she always wants to eat, so she's always biting my sandals. 5 minutes left to the close. I think the market's just squeezing at this point right now. It's squeezing those shorts. She might make it to 290. there's a naked point of control at 290, and I could foresee it bouncing from that. See if we're right. Should have taken that on, that would have been a nice trade. Yeah, I should have taken that on Bionox. I did not. Because I am a pansy, if you guys haven't realized that by now. I'm just kidding. That price action, I didn't want to be a part of that. That price action this afternoon, just chop, 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 chop. I didn't want to be a part of that. But then we actually get real moves, you know. Hard to time these things. But better safe than sorry. Alright, let's see if we bounce from this 21,290. I think that's where the market was headed to right now. There is a naked point of control there from back on the 10th. The 10th of November 10th. Let's see if the market wants to go to that. Surprised we haven't gotten more Renkos. Oh, we just did. Alright, so I foresee our last pump here. I foresee our last pump coming in. Maybe at that 290. Let's see if we can get to 290. I don't know if I have any time to short the 290, but I mean, I don't know why I would want to do that. At the end of the day, when market's squeezing, maybe I'll short it this evening. Maybe I'll trade the overnight session. But right now, no. Probably not. $290 incoming. 290 guys are on the corner. If you guys are wondering where I got the naked point of control from, all you have to do on your trading view, if you're using trading view, is click on the chart type. Down here it drops all your chart types, and just pick the TPO chart, and the TPO chart will give you levels. You just have to educate yourself on how to read those levels. Oh wait, did we already take that level out today? No, we did not. Okay. So close here, so close. Oh, so it's a time naked point of control, not a volume. It's a time. What about the actual point of control from that day? Okay, that was a big day. So we're currently in that point of control right now at 290. So since it is a time point of control, it could go up as high as 299, 300. But it looks like it went right up to it. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. That's crazy. That's spooky crazy. That's nuts. Come on now. Come on now, guys. That is crazy. Literally insane. It's crazy how that dropped from 290. It really is. Does anybody know up to what time we could trade Buellnox? Is it 4 o'clock, or are we able to trade it till to 5? Does anybody know? I'd like to take the short, but I'm not sure if I can. It's probably for the best that I don't. Oh wait, let me take profits on that. 2,000 bucks. No problem. I don't know, guys. Sometimes you just draw lines on a chart and they work out. Today was one of those days. All right, it's 4 o'clock, guys. I don't know if the price action could get any worse at 4 o'clock since it's been so bad already leading up to 4 o'clock. I think anything would be an improvement from a 5 ATR. Oh, I don't know. So let me teach you guys something that I've been picking up on. I've been finding these major spikes in CVD right before reversals. What's up, Wealthy Brandon? What algo are you using, bud? That sounds amazing. Hopefully you're not a bot, buddy. All right, looks here like I want to show you guys on a Renko chart on a 3-minute. A lot of times when we see a CVD spike, we get a reversal. So for instance, you see this CVD spike here, a lot greater than normal. We get that reversal, right? This is when we start to get very low volume though. So these are probably going to be bad examples, but they still kind of work. Like you see a high volume spike here, we got a little reversal, right? And you see this high spike volume here going down, the red one. That kind of triggered us to go back up. We got another one here, big red one. Triggered us to go back up. We got a big one here. After a small, big, and it reversed right here off the 290. Got something off of it, you know. Now let's go to more of a, when we had more volume on the day, right? Let's go back here a little bit. Let's go with like 9:30 or something, right? And I'll show you guys what I mean. Okay. Okay, regular CVD, look at the red CVD here. Regular CVD, regular CVD, regular CVD, big spike. We got that reversal here. Okay. CVD is kind of doing its thing. Huge spike up, more than usual. Reversal, down. Spike, down. Reversal, up. So yeah, I've been keeping my eye on this, and it seems to be actually playing out. What indicator is that called at the bottom? This one at the bottom that you see here. This, what it does, or is this the one you're talking about? If you're talking about this one, this is CVD on chart. This is CVD on chart. All right, you can look it up on TradingView. This indicator down here is Fu Manchu. I think it's called Fu Manchu. It's actually Market Cypher's knockoff. But Market Cypher, I'm kind of tired of paying for it. Oh wow, we had another spike, another pop through the 290 level. That's amazing. You want to go outside, girl? Sorry guys, my dog wanted to go out. Yeah, so I think that's what you're referring to. If you're talking about this indicator here, this indicator is pretty dope. This indicator is the Fu Manchu. It reads money flow, it reads momentum, it reads stochastics, it reads the VWAP, it reads a lot of things in one. So I like that one. I've been toggling on and off from using it for years. Works best, I believe it works best on crypto, but it also works really good on NQ. Wow, guys, are we going for that all-time high? Are we going for that all-time high right now? At close? I don't even know if I can trade right now. Like, this thing is nuts. Wolfie Brandon made 46,000 this morning with the mysterious algo. Hope you share that information with us. What algo is that? You guys remember that that meme that says "Shut up and take my money"? That's what that sounds like. I might be going for all-time highs here. We're only like 40 points away. Stranger things have happened. $340 is right there, guys. Don't throw away. I shouldn't have closed my trade there. I should have left it open. Wow. It's crazy how the market can change so quickly. Market conditions can change so damn quickly. It's ridiculous. Oh, look at this huge amount of CVD here that was gobbled up too. Negative CVD, but we have positive candles. That's a bullish sign if you ever see one. So Cobra MX says we'll watch that next session. Yeah. What's up, Phoenix AVS? How you doing? See a lot of new names in here, so welcome everyone. We are right now looking at possibly all-time highs being breached. I'm not sure if that's what this market's doing. It's so funny that it does it now. It does it now at 4 p.m. after the market closes, because that was my initial idea this morning when we were way back here. This morning, let me backtrack. Let me backtrack here and show you what I mean. Let me go to 30-minute chart. So this morning, when we got started, I think I started trading around 8 a.m. 8, something like that. Let me see. Let me go back to 8 a.m. So around 8:30, we saw this huge drop here, and I immediately started looking for reasons to get long, just because we've been up for a few days, and the volatility looked very low, which means that usually gives way for higher prices. And we also saw that we had an all-time high that was very, very close. So I said, this market's going to want to get up there. So my idea was to get the market up there this morning. So the market did not. The market actually went up and then came back down pretty nasty. We cleared out our overnight lows, and then it went up and then down and then just started chopping all afternoon. So funny that what I wanted to happen this morning is happening now after hours. That's crazy. So 5T5 says he's trying to pass his eval with TPT, but he's over trading. I got a solution for you. You may like it, you may not like it. Every time that you take a trade that results in a loss or a break even, you have to do 50 push-ups. And then that'll solve your over trading. If it doesn't hurt enough that you're losing money and losing time, I mean, that's painful enough. Add some push-ups into the mix. It helped me from over trading. You have 2,200 left in drawdown on your 150 into 500 loss days, but that makes sense. No, you may want to do both, man. Basically leaves me with 2 trading per day. Listen, if you got 2,200 left, that to me would probably signify that I would only be wanting to trade 1 mini, but I would recommend, instead of trading 1 mini, trade 10 micros and take partials. And you should have at least, I don't want to tell you how to trade, but if I was with if I had what you got, if I had what you have right now, and I had only 2,200 left, I would break it up into 10 micros, and I'd take partials, and I'd probably keep my stop losses at no more than probably 5, maybe 10 points max drawdown. But I wouldn't probably want to even do that much. Maybe five to like 7 or 8. Good for you doing the micros. Sometimes people think that micros are a waste of time, but they add up quickly, guys. They add up quickly. About to do is I might be doing a really quick meeting with my buddy. He's a trader. See if I can. Market's still looking pretty bullish, guys. Still looking pretty bullish, even after hours. That's crazy. Just trying to log into my other computer. I'm going to do a quick meeting with my trading buddy. I would do it on here. But my computer is underpowered. I have a new one that I'm going to be setting up this week. 1 second, guys. Sorry, guys. That's the UPS man. My screens came in. So I gotta bring them inside real quick. Just give me a minute. Hello? What's up, babe? Hey, girl. What's going on? Sorry about that, guys. My daughters always have drama between them. And this is going for all-time highs. This is nuts. Yeah, that was me getting the call. Sorry, my phone is connected to the computer. But I'm going to take that off because this morning I missed the fact that my computer entered me into a trade because I did not hear it. You guys hear my alerts, and I don't. So I'm going to turn that off because I do not want to ever miss that again. Okay. All right, so it looks like we're only 20 points off from all-time high. Question is, will it take it down? Will it take it down? Sweet. We got a lot of new viewers on this afternoon stream, so I guess it was worth coming on here, even if we didn't take many trades. Welcome to the stream, Eric Benzo. I see your name up there. Very cool. Very cool. All right. I think we're going to get that. Oh, yeah, let me log in because somebody's waiting for me. I just emailed you the link. All right. I think we're just probably a few minutes off here, guys, from hitting that 340. That's unbelievable. Like, it will literally do what you know it's going to do, but it's going to do it when it wants to. It's the craziest thing. Unbelievable. Like, who thought that it was going to hit all-time highs today, but it was only going to do that after hours? Right? That's just wild. That's just insane. What's up, buddy? Hold on a sec. Let me pause this for a sec. So tell me, man, what do you have here? You're telling me the Heiken Ashis are giving you a little bit of a better direction bias?
Yeah, man. So when I first started trading back in 17, I used to only trade on the Heiken Ashi candle. That's what I learned how to trade on.
Yeah.
And over the last, like, I would say probably since I got into this, the last like 12 months, I got away from the Heiken Ashi candles because a lot of people use the regular candles for fair value gaps and order blocks and all that stuff, and it's different on the Heiken Ashi. The candles are completely different.
Yeah. Smoother.
But the nice part about the Heiken Ashi candles is it does give you like, it'll stay either, like I use blue as my green. So let's say you're using green and red, it'll stay green when the market is going up, and it'll stay red when the market's going down. It doesn't fluctuate back and forth like the regular candles do.
Mm-hmm.
So what I've been doing is I've been looking at specifically, I have 3 monitors set up, and on my one monitor I have 3 charts, and basically on the top is just a 15-minute chart, and I only look at the Heiken Ashi on the 15-minute chart.
Yeah.
As basically like a compass, like, hey, where are we heading? Like, do we have a strong 15-minute candle? Is it blue or is it red? And if it's like a strong blue candle, I'm not even considering a short, because like as opposed to before, when I'm looking at a 1-minute chart, I'm like, oh look, it looks like a fucking short piece setting up. I'm gonna take the short, but I then glance over and I see a 15-minute strong blue candle. I keep my hands off the keyboard. I'm like, no, fuck that. You know,
Show
don't
me.
even try it. And it's been helping me to stay out of a lot of trades I would typically have taken.
Yeah. Show me what you mean. Give me an example.
Yeah. So let me see. Let me share my screen here. All right, so this is the three. You could see all three charts.
Yeah, I see them.
All right, so on the top chart here, this is the high sheet candles I have. So this is basically, this is all moved from today. I actually took a short in the morning before the market opened. I took this short here. I saw this like bear flag kind of forming. And you see all these wicks on the high sheet. It's like these candles are super weak, you know. So I was looking for a short here, and as it broke this, I took the short down here, and I made like $2,500. That was a nice start to the day. But then I wound up giving back a lot of my trading throughout the day because it was just so back and forth today. But essentially, like you know, let's see if I could get these same kind of candles here. So this is a 3 minute. In the middle, it's a 3-minute chart.
Yeah.
And then over here you got the 15-minute on the top. So, for example, like if I have these two blue candles, I don't know what's coming next, but I have these two blue candles. These are strong upward candles. This is you know, indecisive candle, so it looks like the trend is starting to shift upwards. You know, where opposed to before, like if I was up here, like because this big drop, I might have been looking for some kind of, you know,
bounce,
reject short back down. You know what I mean?
Mm-hmm.
But I didn't look for that because I'm like, all right, we're at two blue candles that are super strong, and then we came into this situation where this is like right around the open, like right after the open, around 10 o'clock. These candles, when they're indecisive like this, I just stay off the chart. I'm like, fuck it, I'm not even. It's too much back and forth, you know?
Yeah.
So it gives me like an indication of like there's too much back and forth in this. So that 45 minutes, I essentially just sat it out, and then we got some strong bullish candles here. So then I started hunting for like a, you know, going for a long, you know.
Yeah.
You know, essentially just keeping an eye on this 15-minute hike in HE to see, you know, what do the candles in the 15-minute look like. If they're blue, like don't even consider a short. You know, obviously you could catch a top, but the chances that you're going to catch a top are slim. You know, you don't need that many points. So like, like why even risk it? You know.
Mm-hmm.
But yeah, essentially that's what I've been doing. I've been keeping an eye on the 3-minute, the 1 minute, and the 15, and to kind of decide if I'm going to get into a trade or not. And it kind of just kept me out of a lot of trades. Like I said, I mean, typically like even right here, which is around, let's see, 312.
Yeah.
So let's see, 312. So you have these all these bullish candles here. I would have typically, like, I had this bearish divergence here. I would have been looking for a short here. Now you could have caught a couple little points here, but I stayed out of it because I was like, these candles are too bullish for me, you know.
You're not looking for shorts.
Yeah, exactly. You know, and then you have this one red candle here. You could have said, all right, well now you got some weakness here. Now maybe you could have looked for a short, but again, if you just waited that 1 15-minute candle out, boom, this thing just took off in the later in the day. But I don't know, it's been helping me to keep kind of an idea of where we're heading, you know.
Absolutely. And now click on your candles on that 15-minute. Click on the candle options. You know, you can pick different candles right there, right? Yeah. Click on the different options that it gives you, like the drop down. Click on Renko.
Okay.
Yeah. Scroll down. This is what I've been using also to kind of do the same thing as you, kind of like see when the direction is finally like making a shift, because the Renkos don't move as often as the regular chart does, because it's not time based, it's price based, it's movement based. Okay. So it won't turn green until like the move is clearly green, or it won't turn red until the move is clearly red. So I've been looking at these and overlaying the CVD histogram underneath it, and I've noticed that whenever there's a huge spike in CVD, and it usually reverses course. So if you can also look at your it also changes the whole dynamic of your momentum indicator down below. If you put a 15-minute chart next to a Renko and a 15-minute chart next to a regular candle chart, and you look at your momentum indicator, it's completely different. because it's a whole new set of candles. So it kind of gives you a second kind of like opinion of the market, and it does the same thing you're talking about with the Heiken Ashis. I like that. I like that idea. But play around back testing the Renko candles. Right now, the Renko candles are set to ATR, which means that the size of each block is going to change depending on the ATR of the session or that last 20 candles. But you can manually change the size of the block yourself. Try changing it from ATR to changing it to like a 5. So instead of ATR, click to traditional and click 5. You see where it says bar size? Put it on 5. And it gives you like a little bit of a more even.
Oh wow.
Yeah, it gives you more of an even bar across all time frames. And this kind of keeps you out of bad entries too. So what I've been looking at is I've been looking at the Renko to see, all right, is it safe to say now we're switching course?
Oh, that's crazy.
Yeah, it's nuts. It's really clean price action too, and it keeps you in the trade a lot longer. So if you put like an 8 EMA on there or like a 13 EMA, and you want it to stay in the trade, you can say I'm staying in this trade until Renko crosses over the 8, and if it never crosses over the 8, you stay in that trade until it does.
Wow.
Yeah.
That's crazy. I've never seen that. Yeah, I never even heard of this.
It's almost like a tick chart, but without so much complexities.
Wow. Yeah, I mean, look at this. I mean, you can just stay in this until you get a fucking red candle.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying, because it eliminates all the noise of the regular candles. It eliminates all the noise. So you could literally catch a move and just stay in it until you have a red candle.
Yeah, that's crazy.
Yeah, it's sick. Yeah, so look at that too. Put it up next to your Heiken Ashis and see if they kind of turn at the same time. It could be the same thing we're both talking about in just different candle sets, but it could be the same. It could be a lot of the good stuff there for you.
I'm working on getting my third. So the computer setup I have right now, it's an M1 Apple. It's like an iMac. So
Oh yeah, I just got the studio. I'm about to use it this week. It might be good.
Oh, you didn't hook it up yet?
No, I'm gonna hook it up today. I just got my screens in the mail literally like 10 minutes ago.
No shit. All right. All right, 'cause this is literally where I'm just on the fence about. I was just gonna upgrade to the M4 because they said you could put 2 additional screens in the M4. So you doing the studio?
Yeah, I did the studio, but the studio is the M2 chip. The M4 studio doesn't come out till next year. So what I did was I got the entry level Studio Max, which is only $2,000. So I'm gonna use it till the M4 comes out, and then I'll probably sell it for like a G or 1500, and then upgrade to the M4 studio, which you'll never run. You'll future-proof the hell out of your system. So right now with the M2 that I have, the studio, I could stream and I could run as many screens as I want without any hiccups at all.
Really?
Yeah.
So how do you connect the additional screens? Is there like an adapter or something?
Well, the studio comes with like 14 ports, so you'll be able to just connect with USB-C or Ethernet. I mean, not Ethernet, HDMI. So whatever you choose. You can. They actually even sell the HDMI adapters that have one side USB-C and the other side HDMI, in case you want to get like screens that don't have USB-C connections. So you can do whatever you want.
Yeah, that's what I did. I went and bought 2 screens that are USB-C compatible, but I went to hook them up and it's like, no, you can't. It doesn't work. I'm like, oh, what the fuck? So now I've got to get a new computer.
Yeah. So
I'm running, one screen that's working right now, but yeah, that's fucking. I like this Renko thing for staying in the trade, because I literally just watched on YouTube. I'm just like watching other videos about how trailing stop losses, because I find my entries. I'm doing pretty good on my entries now, but I'm getting out too early on a lot of these trades because I'm worried it's going to come back against me. And I think that was a lot of fear from the Apex account because the trailing
drawdown.
Yeah, so now that I don't have that trailing drawdown, I don't have to worry about it as much,
Mm-hmm.
I can let them run a little bit. So
Yeah.
this is nice because you just see this and you say, fuck it, I'm going to let this thing fucking run.
Yeah, you
Now,
just let it run.
Let's correlate with price. You can't like trail under the block, right? Can you? Or you can?
The thing with Renkos is it doesn't give you much detail. Like there's a lot of wicks in there that you don't see. So what you could do is you could always trail the moving indicator, whatever moving average. Yeah, thank you. I would say you could trail an EMA if you want. But if you're using, let's say to stay in a trade, you're using like the 8 EMA or 7 EMA, whatever you're using. Line it up with a slower EMA like a 21 and keep trailing the 21. And I wouldn't say trail the 7 because on your Renko chart it may never hit the 7 or the 8 EMA, but in real life it could have hit that price, but you don't see it on the Renko chart because the Renko chart doesn't create wicks unless the move is strong. So you see that some blocks have wicks, some don't.
Yep.
If a block has a wick, it means the move is strong. That's crazy, right?
Yeah, it's crazy looking. I've never seen this, but yeah, really. Yeah, I mean, I'm definitely gonna check it out because I mean, I know like so typically when I do a trailing stop, well, if I'm gonna try to really stay in a trade, I wait for like a pullback on like a 3 minute, and then I'll trail behind, almost like just using market structure. So I can stick with that if I know if I have the confidence that this thing is still green. It's like fuck, just stay in it.
Yeah, just stay in it until it tells you otherwise.
Yep.
Yeah. And then they tend to go. Now,
Yeah.
a Renko bar could last for a minute. It could last for an hour, depending on how much price movement you get within that block itself. So you're going to see that some of the blocks don't match up with the same time as like your other chart. You'll play around with it and you'll get it. I have a playlist on our Discord. If you go to education, I have a playlist there about Renko charts, and you can there's like a good 4 or 5 videos there with strategies and all that. I think you'll like it.
Yeah, this is crazy looking. I've never seen Renko. I never even heard of that.
Yeah. Yeah, cool, man. So how you liking Top Step?
What's that?
How you liking Top Step?
I like it so far, man. I mean, I only signed up for 150 accounts. So I was just so top. I put like $7 grand so far into these fucking, accounts. These, whatever they call the fucking.
The prop firms.
I can't even think right now, but yeah, I put $7 grand into these prop firms. So I was like, you know what? I don't want to. I didn't get a payout yet, so I'm like, fuck it. I just want to try at least pass it. Just one.
Yeah.
So that's kind of I just bought one, and then it's $9,000 profit. So you gotta make $9 grand. I'm in for like 3-4 days right now. I'm only up like $2,500 or $3 grand or something like that.
Yeah, I got I'm not using Top Step X. Are you using Top Step X?
I am actually. I actually like it so far.
You like it?
I've read some things bad about it, but to be honest, I like it a lot. I mean, I've had no complaints so far. But it's only been a couple days,
Yeah, well, you don't have the daily loss limit. I do because I'm using it on Tradeovate. So if I don't pass, I may try the Top Step X. I know a lot of guys on YouTube have been telling me that it's actually pretty good. So.
Yeah, I mean, so far I like it, man. I mean, it's pretty smooth. You can use bracket orders, like you can make the bracket orders. It's basically off a dollar value, so you can say, all right, I'm going to risk 500. I want 2,000 profit. I put the brackets up there. You slide them up and down.
Yeah.
It's like trading on TradingView essentially, because it uses the same program, I guess, as TradingView.
Yeah.
It seems faster and smoother to me than like when you connect TradingView to like Tradeovate or something like that.
Yeah.
So yeah, so far so good, man. I mean,
I might give it a try.
If I can pass it, I'll be happy. I mean, I'm just taking my time. I'm just trying to keep stay like not to be so hard on myself, because it's like I've been going at this for a year, and it's like you listen to everybody talk on YouTube. They're like, dude, it took me 2 years, it took me 3 years, it took me 4 years. Like it took these guys a long time to get to where they're at.
Yeah, I think I don't know about you, but for me, the biggest struggle has been just restraint from overtrading and taking trades when I think I see something, because the market's very tricky. Like it looks like something, and then it comes down and does the opposite, or tries that area 3 more times before going in your direction. So those have been the tough ones for me.
Yeah, that's why I think too. Like looking at the height sheet has helped me to like stay at a certain trade just the last couple of days, where I definitely would have taken tried to short, but the height sheet was saying no, this is a strong 15-minute candle. You shouldn't be shorting this candle, or vice versa.
Yeah.
That helped me with that, and I should have walked away this morning, but before the market opened, I made $2,500, $3 grand. Like I should have been done for the day.
Yeah.
I gave it all back. Right? I walked away with $500.
Yeah.
But it's like, all right, what else am I gonna do today? I gotta fucking find something to do, So it's like it's almost like I'm bored, So it's like I'm over trading, but I shouldn't be treated that way.
Yeah. Well, a lot of guys tilted today, man. I had a couple guys hit me up on YouTube today that they tilted bad because of the price action. It was horrible. No follow through at all. It was disgusting. But if you're just down, to break even or slightly profitable, then consider yourself lucky.
Yes.
Yeah. At least you didn't leave an open trade like me.
I know, man. So I had you on in the background. I clicked over and I was like, I saw your P&L movement, but you weren't paying attention. I'm like, I don't know if he knows that trade's on, bro.
You know what happened, dude? I don't have my sound on my computer because I want you guys to hear my entries and exits.
Yeah, because I heard it. That's the thing. I heard the entry happen, order filled, and then I was like, fuck, that reminded me of my Tradeovate sound. And I was like, wait a second, I don't have Tradeovate on. I'm like, oh shit. And I clicked over to see, I'm like, let me see what he's getting. And I looked in, I'm like, he doesn't know he's in a trade.
I had no idea I was in a trade, man. If you would have told me a few minutes earlier, I would have been massively green. But or if I would have paid attention sooner, I think you wrote me on the screen too. So it's
Yeah, I
funny.
was trying to get in touch with you. I was like, fuck,
Yeah.
I don't think you guys do this. I'm watching the feed now go up and down. I'm like, oh
Yeah.
man, this
Yeah, it
gonna blow
sucks.
shit up.
Whatever. We'll get it back tomorrow. At least I didn't blow my account. A daily loss limited me, but it didn't blow my account. So I'll try again tomorrow.
Back in 2017, when I was leverage trading Bitcoin, me and my buddy would do it, and we were trading all hours of the night because it was 24/7, and it was like one night he was just pounding drinks. He was so drunk. I'm like, bro, I don't think you should be trading. You're drinking, like you're really fucked up. He's like, fucking, I don't care. I'm going fucking long. He's like, I'm gonna go fucking whatever. He put like I don't know 20 grand on some leverage trade. He fucking passed out live, bro. We're on like this on Zoom. I'm like, no, wake up, wake up. I'm like, you don't have a stop loss on. I'm like, wake up, bro. And he fucking just, I had to wake him up. He killed his whole fucking 20 G's.
Oh wow, he slept right through it.
He slept right through it.
Holy shit.
He's like, I'm never trading drunk again. I'm like, yeah, dude, that's not good.
Yeah, don't friends don't let friends trade drunk.
Yeah, it's bad, man.
Yeah. Oh, well, good, man. Now take that and make sure I don't ever make that mistake too.
Yeah.
Cool.
So yeah, man. Well, yeah. Hopefully, just keep at it, man. Hopefully, we'll fucking get consistent here at some point, you know.
Yeah, we will. I gotta have you on, dude. I'd love to have you on. Well, I recorded this, so I'm gonna post it on our Discord. On our Discord, because I like your idea of the hiking hashish.
Yeah, man. I like it. It's been helping me, like I said, stay out of trades that I definitely would have jumped in on, on a smaller time frame.
Mm-hmm.
I was chasing a lot of shorts when I shouldn't have been, chasing longs when I shouldn't have been, and this is going to keep me straight, so it's definitely helped.
Cool. Awesome, brother. Well, I'll talk to you soon, man. Take care. Let me know if you need anything.
All right, bro.
All right, bro. Take care.
Later.
All right, sorry about that, guys. I just had a quick meeting with one of my trading buddies. Actually, he's my friend for a long time before we both started trading. Funny because we never really talked to each other about trading until one day we found out that each one of us was... Well, I found out he was trading and I reached out to him and I was like, hey, man, I've been trading too. And we kind of reconnected. So it looks like we were just shy of our all-time high at 340. We made it up to 330. Looks like we made it up to about 330, did we? We made it up to about 329. 329. I certainly did not have this on my bingo card today. I certainly did not. But it is what it is. All right, guys. We'll be back here tomorrow morning at 8 a.m. Not sure if I'll be trading tonight. If I do, I might not. I have my daughters today, so not tonight. Maybe tomorrow night. But I'll definitely see you guys tomorrow morning. I'll be trading. I'll be on here probably sometime around 8 a.m. So take care, guys. There's not much trouble you can get yourselves into right now. So don't have to worry about that too much. But I will see you guys tomorrow. Take care. Thank you for watching. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that notification bell. You'll be alerted when we go live. All right, guys. Have a good night.